Hey guys, how's it going? Dangerous Minds here with another video of Amnesia, the Dark Descent. We're going to play a custom story called Rain. So yeah. Hello. Okay. Sorry for this. Need to. Whoop. So here we go. For the best experience, play at night, alone, and with headphones. So, here we go. For you guys, I begin at the start. I work my way up to the end. So, here we go. It's the first time I play with headphones on, so very scared, very scared. I can't move yet, so we wait. Oh, yeah. An Amnesia custom story. I can move a little. Walk. Amnesia. Oh, hey. Loading. So. Chapter 1 Dungeons. Bless you. Okay, hello. So I have a saw in my mouth, so the speaking isn't that good at the moment. I fear my life is in peril. Someone or something is keeping me in this cage against my will. Where am I, or how I got here? I have no recollection. Sorry. Let's have a look. For my memory is fragmented and my mind is scattered. I find it necessary to write down my thoughts, for fear of losing them again. I don't know how many times I have drifted in and out of consciousness. Okay, all through how long I've been here, I see visions beyond this nightmare, visions of wood, carpet instead of stone and dirt. I hear rain and I feel compelled for the something beyond my ability to describe in words. Okay. The hole in the sand of the sailboat is the only way out. Okay, bye. We are going in. Here we go. So I go left. Yeah. What the? What was that? Hello? Nothing. Okay. Going further. A wall. I always hammer like this. You're blocking my way. Thank you. Flying stones. How cool. Hello. I'm here to nothing. Sorry, I'm really tired. I don't know why, but Jesus Christ, you idiot! Hello? Hello? Okay then. So I hear a monster, but I can't see him. So we are going. Bye. This door is locked. Okay. Going this way then. I can. They're off. Who's following me? So this is my old cell here. Okay. Can't run yet.
I have awoken in the damp prison cell, with no memory of the events that brought me here. In fact, I have no memory whatsoever. These walls seem familiar though, and I don't feel entirely lost down here. My intuition is providing me guidance in this madness. I feel sure that I can escape from this place. I'm certain that the exit to these dungeons is through the northern prison cells, the entrance to which is not far from here, but the door will require a key. This key has fallen into the bowels of the torture chamber.
Nice. Adjusting my Oh. So that was nicely spoken. Going in this door then? Why not? Okay then. Ah, we can run. So that's cool. Nope. Nope. Sorry. Okay, not that. Not that. I don't know what this is. Secret Christmas wax wall. Never saw that in the game before, but okay. It's locked. How nice. A little cell. Why are you open? Strange noises I hear. Oh no. Okay then, nice ass, man. Nope. Nope. Going out. Going out. Sorry. Sorry for... Maybe I use this on this? Nope. Okay then. Bye. Nope, nothing for me. That's okay. What? What? Roaches! You Nope! No, sorry! No, I'm sorry! No! 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 What are you? Okay, bye! Jesus Christ! What's in here? Please note that the acid bed is designed for torture and execution to this end. Please refrain from filling the bed to the brim and order to submerge the prisoners as it kills the prisoners too quickly and leaves a mess in the acid bed. I see a connection between misuse of this tub. Drain drones if it catch anyone using it. Oh god, to clean up duty for a month. So okay. Don't like this. Oh my god. What's this? Oh, yeah. Pull out. Don't pull out. Okay. Going further. It's locked. Let me go off the ladder, please. Hello? What's this? The drain is now well and truly clogged from the sides of blood and tissue. Not even a drop of water can pass through that tangled mass. There has been some amusing speculation among these blah 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 blah. Seriously, something needs to be done about this clogged drain immediately. Someone needs to tell the overseer. I'm sure there must be something important behind this door. Maybe I can find a way to break it down. Ulrich said there was a key to the northern prison cells which fell down to the church chambers. I don't know who Ulrich is, but he seems confident. At the moment he's my best hope getting out of here alive. I don't like it. So I think I'm going back up. Going back. Now I have the crowbar. So Jesus Christ. No. I need to go up. And fast. Run, my friend, run. You. No, no. The wooden door, wasn't it? There was a wooden door. Oh God. Then how? Which door was it? Oh, I need more up. I'm an idiot. Sorry for that. Okay, is this? Please, please. Yes.